The market is just so hot. I had to come. Snap it up. Snap Inc. Hope you got your popcorn ready. Are you enjoying the show? Brand new IPO, Snap Inc. It's on fire out the gates. New IPO, new stock for you guys to make money with and play with, and for all the viewers all over the world on Rich TV Live to thrive. I love this pick. I told you guys, I love Snap Inc. I said two things could happen. Either it could go skyrocket, like it's done, or it could go down and then it's going to go up. But everybody said, you know what, forget going down, let's make money! Feels so good. Woo! Oh boy, more stocks to play with. Why run the company when you can invest in it? Do you want to be the CEO running that company? It's going to be a lot of ups and downs, a lot of stress, but as an investor, what stress do we got? Sit back and enjoy the ride. Hello everybody, how are we doing? We are live streaming all over the world on YouTube right now, live. It's exciting. We just had a brand new IPO today, Snap Inc. S-N-A-P. It's currently at $25. What do you guys think about Snap? I think it's a big winner. It's going to be a monster, people. My kids are using it, and when I see kids using things and I see teenagers using things, and they're the future people, and they're using it every single day, that tells me this is going to be a winner. And guess what? It's up 3% right out of the gates. It's trading an incredible 134 million shares at $25. Do you know how much money that is that's gone through that stock so far? It's absolutely incredible, guys. What do you guys think about Snap? Are you guys buying Snap today? Who's buying Snap? I want to know who's buying Snap. Let's talk about it, people. That's the topic of the day today. This is a brand new IPO. Where do you guys think SNAP is going to go? This is an exciting deal, a great opportunity. I hope you guys get an opportunity to take advantage of it. As you can see in real time on level 2 here on Investors Hub, working with Rich TV Live. As you can see, they're right at $25. I mean, honestly, you need your popcorn. I'm not actually going to get some popcorn today. But if you want to get your popcorn, you get your popcorn, okay? You make sure your popcorn is ready. I know Angel told me his popcorn's ready. But get ready to see this logo everywhere. The same way you see the Twitter logo everywhere, you will start to see this Snap logo everywhere. This will become one of the most powerful logos on the planet. And this is exciting for you and me, the investor, because we like stocks that are going up as we speak. It is going up, people. Are you guys buying while this show is live on YouTube? What an exciting day. What an exciting day to be alive. What a time to be alive, guys. Snap IPOs, medical marijuana stocks going on fire, pharmaceutical stocks on fire, virtual reality stocks. There's all kinds of great things happening right now. Look at this show, guys. This is the greatest show on earth. This is called Level 2. Man, where's the music? Let's just enjoy the show. We can just watch Snap all day long. How high can it go, guys? It's like a war zone. Let's see the buys. Woo! Look at this. $539,000 trades. What? Do you have your popcorn ready? Look at this. Woo! I love it. Who loves this? Oh boy. You got in last night, Angel? It's amazing. Greatest show on earth, people. Look at that. It's just going and 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 going. Amazing. Wow. It's exciting. Higher. Higher. Yeah, it's exciting time, guys. It's exciting time. Snap Inc. Snap it up. Pick it up. Snap it up. All right, guys. Let's take a look at some more stocks. Or do we want to talk about Snap a little bit more? Okay, well, what I want to do is I want to talk about PharmaCann, which has just done a name change to Kronos Group. Okay? Now, what I want to do is I'm going to show you guys some evidence first of where I talked about it 2 weeks ago, where the stock price was, and where it is today, okay? Because I love to give you guys the evidence first, so let's do that, shall we? Let me give you another pick. Now, this is a pick that I personally bought myself, and I absolutely love this company, okay? I love this company. It's like one of my favorites. Alright, guys. Here it is. I'm sharing you guys my own personal picks. PharmaCann Capital Corp. Kronos Group now. I'm in love with this pick, guys. I bought the stock at $1.40. It's at $2.09 today. I'm up in my portfolio very heavily with it. I absolutely love it. Look at the chart today. Look at that beautiful chart. There's the evidence, guys. Up, brings another tear to my eyes. 2 weeks ago, it was at $2.09. And then it comes down, and it brings me different types of tears. But there's nothing better than finding a stock, and then you research it, and then it goes up. And they have an American symbol too, guys. You want to know the American symbol? P-R-M-C-F. Put it on your watch list. P-R-M-C-F. Put it on your watch list! Put it on your watch list, guys. You heard it here first. You heard it here first. PharmaCann Capital Corp. It's a rich pick. One of my own personal picks. Personal picks. I'm not telling you to buy at this price, guys. I'm in much lower. But it's a big winner for me. I love this deal. I am going to show you guys why. Because all I do is bring you guys winners, but I want to tell you why. I'm not just going to bring you winners, guys. I want to tell you why. There's reasons. Reasons. People are calling. All right. So I brought you guys this pick 2 weeks ago when it was at $2.09. Do you guys know what it's at now? The $2.09 was the Canadian price. The US price at that time was at about $1.50. Today, the US price is $2.50. up over 60% since I brought it to you guys first. The Canadian one, if I pull it up, now called the Kronos Group. Oh, look who we got here. Hello, Rich TV Live. We are live streaming on Rich TV Live. How you doing today, Angel?
Good, brother. Who's not having a good day today?
Well, what did we talk about? This is what you've been talking about. This is what I've been talking about.
Popcorn at the screen right now.
Well, you know,
Brother, I got woke up with alarm bells from the stock market saying, "You're making money."
look at this 3-month performance, guys. I brought this pick to you guys 2 weeks ago when it was at about $1.50 on the US side, PRMCF, when it was at $2.09. I just showed you guys the proof. On the Canadian side, it's at $3.37, people. I think that deserves an air horn. What do you guys think?
I need an air horn. Whoa.
How many times have you been in and out of the stock, Angel? Tell the people.
I've been in and out of it. I've been in and out of it 3 times in the last 2 months, and I can't even begin to tell you. Like every time I've gotten in low because it dips, and then just waiting for it. You know, and I'm not being greedy. I don't need 60, 80%. I'm happy with 10, 15, 20% gains. And this morning, I saw that my alarms went off, and I pulled the trigger. You know, and it's probably going to go up a little bit more today, probably a lot more today. It's okay. I'm not greedy. It's about taking your gains and running. It's about staying in a cash position and making that money. I don't know anybody that's ever said that $1,000 is a bad deal.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Way more than that. And how about Snap? I got in late last night. I sat there for hours waiting. My bid just sitting and sitting and sitting. And finally it got snatched up, and I was like, whoa. And then this morning it opens up at 24, 25. Who cannot be more happier than me right now?
Yeah, that's unbelievable. People are running for Snap.
I think it's time for me to go get a custom pair of Snap tennis shoes made, because I have a feeling that this bad boy is just going to skyrocket. It's going to go supersonic, and it's just going to explode. No doubt in my mind about it. So if you guys, hey, everybody out there with Rich TV Live, it's time to get on the Snap train. Don't miss this train, because it's going to go ballistic.
Well, we're definitely on the Snap train, 150%, and I'm happy that you're up already on it in the first day that it IPOs. But more importantly, let's talk about the Kronos Group right now. I want to know your opinions on the Kronos Group, because you told me that these guys were the big boys. I brought this pick. I made a mistake. I bought this pick and I sold it, and it's gone up even more, so now I got to buy it again. But let's talk about the Kronos Group.
Well, bro, you know you can always get in. You know the whole game is get in low and buy low and sell high.
But the problem is this bad boy doesn't go down. Look at this 3-month chart.
You know, it's almost like the other ones that keep giving love, but this one keeps giving so much love.
96% buy, guys. Top 1% signal strength. Look at this. 96% buy, top 1% signal strength. It's been in this range for about 3 weeks. It's on fire. And if you guys noticed my last video, they were called Pharmacan Capital Corp. Now, their name is Kronos Group, guys. Notice what happened here. There's been a name change. These guys have their name on it. They want this to be the biggest name in the business. Is that right, Angel?
I believe we talked about that when I called in on Monday. I believe that was the topic of the day. I believe we called that. That's what was coming. And the thing is this: I think these guys have got some pretty big guns. I think they've come together with a couple other groups, and they're going to be a powerhouse. Don't discard the Kronos Group. The Kronos Group is going to come out with big heavy artillery, and I mean they're already making money. They make a lot of money right now. I can't be any happier with that pick. I mean, hey guys, everybody in the show. It's simple. Your new alarm clock to wake up any morning needs to be attached to Rich Picks, and get woke up with saying you're making money.
Look at this growth, people. 90% in the last month. I brought it to you first. 150% in the last 3 freaking months. I say freaking because children are watching. And 2,300% in the last year. Are you kidding me?
You know what's even better than that too is their holdings company based from there. They're making money too. I can't even begin to tell you. I mean, there was a lot of money to be made this morning from the Kronos Group, not just with them, but their holdings company too. So I tell you guys need to set your morning alarms to the sound of winning stocks and rich picks, and wake up to the sound of making money every day, and it change your life.
Well, you know what, Angel? You know what? I really appreciate all the support, man. Thank you so much. I can't wait until we're live streaming at the Medical Marijuana Conference. Do you have any updates on what you've got ready and what you've been doing to get prepared for it?
Oh, everything's good. It's going to look fabulous. We're really excited to be streaming live from the MGIN Conference and Expo. We're going to bring you a lot of new exciting CEOs. We'll be bringing you a lot of new action and some insights, so the audience gets a little bit better view of what's really going on. So one of the largest conferences in the United States. We got Canadian players that are coming too, so we're really excited to bring this to you guys. It's really going to be a good day and a good week next week. And today's just fabulous. I mean, I got popcorn all over the car. Sports car, and I got popcorn all over the car.
I love it.
You know,
I love it.
Popcorn machine today, because if you guys are missing out on this trip, you guys need to get on right now.
Look,
it's all about making money and buying that freedom.
Hey guys.
Right now, Rich Picks has changed my life, and everything's good. Everything's fantastic. I'm so excited. Can't wait to come to you live from the MGIN conference next week.
Well, you know what? We're super excited to have you represent Rich TV Live. I feel very blessed to have you be a part of the team. I'm very excited about the growth of the channel, guys. I believe we're up to about 413 subscribers. It's just growing and growing and growing every single day. And that's because you guys want to create freedom. This is not just about money, people. This is about creating freedom. And when we're bringing picks that are going up 5% every single day, how can you not be learning? How could you not be benefiting from the growth of this channel, of this platform? You're helping me. I'm helping you. We're helping each other. We are a team. Do you know what team stands for? Together, everyone achieves more. We are a team. We are a unit. Together, we are an unstoppable force. If you are just investing in PRMCF today and you're investing in Snap, just those two, you're a winner.
You're making money today.
You're making money.
You're making big money today.
While we're talking, people, Snap is rising. It is on fire. Fuego. Look at this, baby. This is a beauty. This is an absolute beauty. $25, 140 million shares. How much money has gone through the stock today, people? Just do the math. Billions of dollars have gone through this stock already in its first day of its IPO. IPO stands for initial public offering, people, which gives the public the ability to buy a piece, have a share, have a stake in this company. When you're buying stocks, you are taking a stake in a public vehicle. You are saying, hey, you know what? I don't want to run this company, but I'll sit on the sidelines and I'll make money as this company makes money. And trust me when I tell you, these guys are making money, and they're going to make more and more and more. Because now that they're public and now that they're able to trade at this level, they're able to raise a stupid amount of money. Because they can sell stock. And stock is printed, people. It's paper. These companies can print it and they can sell them. So understand what it means when these companies go public. There is a reason why they go public, because a public company will be able to raise capital 10 times faster and easier than a private company, because public companies are transparent. So what we're doing here at Rich TV Live is we're creating transparency to all of these companies. We're giving them awareness to the average person. The average person that doesn't understand stocks can come to Rich TV Live in real time and find out what's going on and what is trending every single day in real time, people. Where else are you guys gonna find that? Angel, is there a channel right now you can?
You're gonna find it in Rich TV Live, where Rich only brings you the winners.
That's it, buddy. That's it, man. That's all I want to talk about, because at the end of the day, why are we talking about losers? When you got picks like PRMCF, the gift that keeps on giving, and it just keeps going up every single day, why would you be buying anything else? Why would you be buying some bullshit penny stock in the 0001s when you could be buying into the Kronos Group? Think about it, people. Do your research. Understand what this is. This is a brand. Angel will send you about 50 emails that he's already sent me about the Kronos Group and how big these guys are and what they want to be in the medical marijuana space, which is the pioneer, the numero uno player in the game. They want to be the Michael Jordan of medical marijuana companies, and they are involved with PRMCF and they are involved with APHQF. Is that correct, Angel?
Yeah, no, they're involved. They're involved in everything, buddy.
Look at this, guys. In America,
I think I buried you this week in emails. So the proof is there, buddy. There's no question.
Nobody. This is the best kept secret. Angel, I swear, you're the only one in America buying the stock. It's the best kept secret. It's the best kept secret, brother. It's traded 26,000 shares today, buddy. It's only traded.
I can't go wrong. I've made money on it three times in the last month. I mean, and I'm talking big money. So, I've got nothing but great things to say about the Kronos Group. That's for sure.
Look.
My opinion, like I said Monday, they're coming together. They're going after the top, and I really think they might end up being one of the fifth horsemen. So.
Oh, I think there's no doubt about it. I think there's no doubt about it. The Kronos Group are behind these guys. They're also behind APH. They're some of the largest players in the industry. So I don't see any reason why this company will not be a huge player. It continues to give and give and give. And as you can see, in Canada, a smaller market, a market that's 10 times the size in population as America. Why is there 310,000 shares trading? But in America, if you look at it very carefully, you can see here, it's only traded 26,000 shares. People don't know. You guys need to subscribe to Rich TV Live. You guys need to start watching the show and understand what's going on here, people. I want to bring you winners that are going up every single day. You don't need 10 picks. You just need one good pick, guys.
Hey, Rich, I'm out of popcorn. I need to go pop another bag, buddy. I'm still throwing popcorn over here.
Thank you, Angel. Thank you for calling, buddy.
Bye, buddy.
Have yourself a great day, man. You keep winning, buddy. You keep winning. Cheers. That's Angel, one of the subscribers. And guys, if you guys are looking for an opportunity, I've been speaking to you guys. You guys have been calling me, and great things are happening, guys. Things are happening fast. So let's just say you guys get into a stock. And let's just say that the stock goes down, which we don't like. We don't like it when stocks go down, right? So let's just say you buy a stock and it goes down. Let's take a look at one. MCIG. Now, MCIG is a stock that was on fire, and now it's coming down. So what I like to do in these situations, I'm not going to buy it. I'm going to watch it. I want to see when it hits its bottom. I want to see when it hits the floor. because this is a stock that was just recently way higher, okay? So what you guys got to learn how to do is be a hawk and realize that there's some serious selling going on here. Somebody's raising money, okay, guys? Someone's making a lot of money. Or people that bought the stock are panicking and they're selling. So a lot of you are calling me, Rich, MCIG, should I buy it? Should I buy it? Should I buy it? Well, it's been going down every day. So why would you want to buy it? You want to wait until it goes all the way to the bottom, hits its floor, starts bouncing back. And that's when you want to position yourself, because we're not psychics. I don't know how low it's going to go. It could go to a penny. So why would you want to get crushed? Don't be silly. Be smart. Make sniper moves. Make ninja trades. Buy low, sell high. Let's look at this in more real-time detail. Okay, guys? Because I want to teach you guys how to trade like a pro. And this is not about trading crazy. Like doing 100 trades a day. I think that that's insane. And that's a recipe for disaster, because you're going to lose your ass just in fees. Okay? So what you want to do is you want to sniper trade. You want to make smart strategic trades. Buy low, sell high. Make money, take your money, and run. So if you guys take a look at this chart on MCIG, you could see just the 3-month chart. And I like to look at a 3-month chart because it gives me an idea of how it's doing in the quarter. Okay? You could see that it's come up, you know, from as low as, let's see here, 11 cents, okay? December 2nd, it was at 11 cents. It went all the way up to 50 cents on January 17th, which was about 6 weeks, people. Today, it's down to 18 cents. It's come all the way down. A lot of people may start thinking, this is the floor, let me get back. That's not how you trade, guys. You got to be a ninja. You got to be a sniper. Be patient. What are you rushing for? Do you want to get crushed? Do you want to lose money? Be patient. So it goes back up. That was your time to sell. If you bought it here, this was the time to sell here. You bought it at 40, 35. Sell it back at 50. Take your money, run. Because here comes the shorters. Here comes the sellers. The company's raising money. They're selling stock. So what happens? The stock goes down, down, down. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Down, 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 down. So where's the floor? People are saying, hey, Rich, it's time to buy. Hell no. It ain't no time to buy. I'll definitely watch it. But this can go lower, people. It was just at 11. It's kind of where I'm thinking it's going to go. And maybe beyond. And if it does, I'll definitely be thinking about buying it. But I want to see it level off like it did here and then create a floor. And then what happens is the company starts releasing news, then you'll start to see it take off again. So that's what you do here. You position yourself low, and then once it turns around and starts creating a floor and it starts going straight and flatlining, that's when you want to position yourself, because then usually with some news, it could spike up again. And I love these types of picks, because when you see a company that's getting into the medical marijuana space and they've been hot and they've been on fire and they shoot up and then they start coming all the way back down, you know that they've got life in them. And you know that they've got a run or two left in them again. And you look at OWCP, that's what they did. They went up, they came all the way back down, and then they went up again. So this is one that I really like, and I think it has a lot of legs, and it has room to run. So put this date on your radar, March 2nd, 2017. This could be a huge winner, but I don't like it at these prices yet. I'd like to see how low it could go, because it's falling off a cliff. And when you see stocks falling off a cliff, this is the situation where you want to be very careful, because you don't want to get hurt here, okay? And it could go lower. It's been as low as 11 cents. So why would you want to buy it when it just keeps going down? I wouldn't want to take that risk. Let's take a look at the level 2 again. Okay, guys, down 17%. So if we take a look at the level 2 here, so it's done 1,625 trades this day, which is pretty spectacular amount of trades. There is 10,000 shares on the bid at $18.75. There is 35,000 shares on the offer. Oh, someone just took out the offer. As you can see, 30,000 shares just went. Boom, people are buying. So some of the shares, looks like it's going up as we speak. Some of the shares are getting taken out on the offer. There's now 5,000 shares at $18.95. Another bid just popped up, 8,600 shares at $18.85. So there's a lot of bids here. There's a lot of support. There's a lot of buying. And there's a lot of selling. There's more selling than buying. That's why you see it's down 16.8% today. But it's traded 13 million shares, which is pretty spectacular for a penny stock. So it's definitely on my radar. It's definitely on my watch list. I like this pick. Thank you for this pick, but I don't think it's the right time to buy it right now, personally. What do you guys think? Do you guys like MCIG? What do you guys think? Do you guys like MCIG? All right, let's take a look at some more, guys. NVGS at $13.45. It's moved 22% today on 651,000 shares. Look at this skyrocket. It's a beauty, guys. Put it on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. It's moving. Let's take a look at some more. AMRC up 15% today at $6. Traded 246,000 shares. Put it on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. Let's take a look at ALQA. Look at this beauty. At 70 cents. It's on my radar, people. Is it on your radar? Oh, it's lighting up. It's lighting up. Who's watching? Are you watching? Who exactly is watching? Oh, man, oh, man. There's so many winners. How could you not be making money in these markets, people? It's exciting. Snap is up 4%. Are you guys buying my picks? Are you guys watching Rich TV Live and buying Snap? Are you buying Snap while we're talking right now, live on YouTube, on Rich TV Live? What a beast. Look at this thing. I absolutely love it. What other picks are on fire today, people? BTCSD. Give me your picks. Give me your picks. What's up today, people? BTCSD. Let's take a look. BTCSD. BTCS Inc. up 15%, is traded 808,000 shares, guys. This is a new one. I haven't seen it before. Put it on your watch list. I like this one. It's a big winner, people. It's doing really well. Let's take a look at what bar chart thinks. BTCSD. Wow, look at this one, guys. It's a big winner. It's a big winner. 100% buy on bar chart. Top 1% signal strength. I love this pick. Thank you, Lewis. It's a beauty. I love 100% buys, top 1% signal strength, guys. I absolutely love this pick. Thank you for this pick. It's a good one. Let's take a look at it. In the last month, people, it is up 187%. In the last 3 months, it's up 292%. And in the last year, up 619%. Wow. What a winner. I love this one. Let's give it up to Lewis for this one. It's a big winner, guys. But look at this. It's been as high as $8.22. It's only at 3 cents, people. Hold on. That doesn't make sense. This hasn't added up. So bar chart has not updated this. It's at 26 cents. So it's still down. It hasn't been updated yet. It's still down dramatically over the year. But this is a pick that's on fire, guys. Put it on your watch list. Put it on full alert. Put it on your radar. I love this pick. Brought to me by you, the people. You have spoken. You want to be heard. Do you want to work with Rich TV Live? Are you looking for an opportunity to make more money? Are you loving my picks? You too can work with Rich TV Live. Just keep bringing me the picks, guys, and you guys can make so much money. All we got to do is keep identifying these types of winners. Without you, none of this is possible. I exist. Rich TV Live exists. This platform exists because of you, the people. You have spoken. You want freedom. Everybody deserves freedom. Everyone deserves to feed their family. Take a look at BTCSD. It's a big winner brought to me by you. SGDH. Let's take a look at another one. Wow. You guys are good. Another winner. Take a look at SGDH, guys. Whoop! Up 7% today, but this is what I like. Take a look at this. 100% buy. Top 1% signal strength, guys. That's the big Mo. That stands for momentum. This is a big winner, people. Put it on your radar. Put it on your watch list. Book it. I love this pick brought to me by you, the public. You have spoken. Thank you for the pick. I love it when you guys give me winners. This was brought to me by Garrick. Thank you, Garrick. It's a winner. Take a look at this, guys. Let's take a look at its performance. In the last month, up 42%. In the last 3 months, up 126%. And in the last year, up a staggering 5,600%, coming from the underworld. From 001 all the way up to where it is today at 5 cents. It's a huge winner. So if you guys bought this stock and it was at 001 and it went up 5,600%, on $1,000 you would have made yourself 56 grand. On 10 grand you would have made 560 grand. On $100 you would have made $5,600, people. That's right. That's why we want to bring these picks to you in real time so that you guys can find winners every single day. This is not about doing 100 trades a day, people. It's about doing one smart trade whenever you can, whenever you find the right opportunity. You buy low, you sell high, you make your money, and you run. That's how you win, people. All we want is winners. That's all we're looking for every single day. And with the help of you, we're going to continue to identify these winners that are undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed every single day. Bring me some more, people. Is there any more? What's going on? You guys got any more picks for me that you want to talk about? Because I'm coming to you guys live And we're right now identifying winners. What else is up, guys, that I should talk about? Let's take a look at some others that are up almost every single day. Let's take a look at Vapor Group, guys, a company that you guys love. We've been talking about it every single day. Okay, guys, look at it. It's in the red now. Like I've told you guys, when it goes up, eventually it's going to come down. It finally hit some resistance today. Down only 8%, nothing major, but be careful when you see a stock go up like this from 001 range on February 16th. On February 16th, this puppy was at 0017. It went all the way up to 006 yesterday, representing a massive gain for you, okay? Now, in 2 weeks. So you could see it went all the way as high as 0068. If you were to get in here and then get out there, that's a perfect trade. Even if you just get in here or get in here or get in here, that's a perfect trade. As long as you're making money and you're taking your money and running, you're always winning. That's what this is about, guys, okay? Buying low, selling high, all right? Now, what do I think about this company? I actually really like this company, a medical marijuana company coming from the underworld. As you could see, it's up 292% in the last month. It's up a staggering 1,175% in the last 3 months. It's been one of the best movers in the world, okay? And in the last year, it's up a staggering 5,000%. If you were to buy this July 20th, your $1,000 would have made you $50,000. 10 grand would have made you $500,000. $100 would have made you $5,000. That's pretty substantial, people. That's what we're talking about here. Identifying undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities every single day. Let's take a look at the level 2 on this puppy. So there's 445,000 shares on the bid, which isn't that much. And there's 161,000 shares on the offer at 0051. So if you're wanting to buy this stock, I'd probably even go under the 5s here. Probably go at maybe 0047. Try to pick it up as low as humanly possible. Sit on the bid. You put a limit order to try to buy it and sit on the bid and soak it up at as low as humanly possible. And if you want to sell it, you want to turn around and sell it as high as possible, you know, I think this is going to go higher, personally. But, you know, you want to turn around and sell it as high as humanly possible, probably at 0056. That would be my advice if you're trying to buy low, sell high, and if you're trying to day trade the stock, which I don't do. I like to buy low, sit back, enjoy the ride, and then once I'm in the green, meaning up 10, 20, 30% or more, I take my money and I run. What's your strategy, people? How do you buy stocks? How do you buy low and sell high? How do you position yourself in some of these companies? Let's take a look at some more medical marijuana companies that have been moving. And let's take a look at this one. And I want to bring you guys first the ones that I believe could be the next 5,000% mover. And this is one of them, USMJ at 0009 by 001. Now, this is a very risky pick. Okay, this is where I put this up there with as risky as it gets. Okay, what do you guys think about USMJ? I put it up there with like the risky of the risky deals personally, just because it's sub-penny stock. So right away it's risky. It's a sub-penny stock for a reason. Oh, we just got out of the red, so we're back to par. So it's a sub-penny stock, but look at this volume, guys. 283 million shares, which is $283,000 that's going through this penny stock every single day. It's a medical marijuana deal. It's generating real revenues. It has real performance. It's making money, and it's growing. It's going to put out news. It's going to keep putting out news, and I believe this could be the next VPOR that goes from the 001 range to the 006 range, or even eventually goes to a penny. This could be one of those picks. Now, I'm not a psychic, guys. I can't predict the future. This is just based on the fact that a lot of other medical marijuana stocks have been moving. And I'm just going based on that. And based on the fact that it is in the medical marijuana space, it is generating real revenue, and it is a sub-penny stock, and it's already come up from 0001. Let's take a look at it. Let's look at it on bar chart, people. USMJ. So right now on bar chart, they give it a 32% buy with an average short-term outlook. So bar chart doesn't love this pick, but as you guys can see, it has run as high as 006. I think this has legs. And it came right back down. So there's a lot of sellers in this puppy. Anytime this thing goes up, people are just selling aggressively, okay? But let's take a look at it. It is up 66% in the last month. Up 400% in the last 3 months. It's the injured finger. It's starting to heal. Up 900% in the last year, which really is since October. So in the last 3 months, really. 4 months. It's up 900%. I tried to buy this through TD Bank. They wouldn't even let me buy it in Canada. You guys are the lucky ones in America. You guys can buy these stocks that could run thousands of percent. It's unbelievable, guys. Look at this. Look at where these arrows are. This is showing that it's near the bottom. This is showing it's near the bottom. This is showing it's near the bottom. There's so much more room for growth. So much more room for growth, people. This is absolutely exciting. These are the types of opportunities I want to bring to you on Rich TV Live that can get us rich, that can change our lives, that can create freedom, that can give us the ability to do what we truly want to do in our lives and follow our passion. I love you guys. Without you guys, none of this is possible. And I'm doing my best to bring you guys picks like USMJ that I think could be a huge winner. Yeah, it's going to go up and down. It's going to have good days. It's going to have bad days. Okay? But the reality is, this is a company that has good days ahead of them. And because they're in the medical marijuana space, which is just growing and growing and growing and growing and growing and growing and growing, I believe this is a company that we will see in the penny land. That's my opinion, people. I've been right before. I've also been wrong before. So anything can happen. But mark my words. Companies like USMJ. You know what? Let me just show you one more. Because that's what I do here on Rich TV Live. I bring you winners. Let's take a look at one more. ERBB. Another herb. Gotta love the name. 0014 by 0015. I got no secrets for you guys. I just brought you 3 medical marijuana plays in the sub pennies. VPOR, USMJ, and now ERBB, American Green. Sub-penny medical marijuana stocks, guys. These are the types of deals that can change your life. And they're in the hottest industry in the planet, the medical marijuana space. Look at the volume. 39,000 shares. $39,000 has gone through this stock, which is about 39 million shares at an average of about 001, which is about probably close to about $40,000. Maybe even $50,000 that's gone through this penny stock today. A medical marijuana deal in the sub pennies. That's what we want to do here, people. Identify undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities. And if you want to work with Rich TV Live, you can buy these stocks. You can call these companies. Tell them, hey, you need to go on this guy's show. You got to talk to this guy named Rich. His name is Richard D'Souza. He's got a show. It's called Rich TV Live. He has a website, www.richtvlive.com. He has another website, www.consultcanam.com, where he talks to CEOs and he brings them on his show live on YouTube. And he asks them tough questions so that real investors can do their due diligence and see you in transparency and get to know you better in real time, live, for the whole world to see. And if that company wants to come on Rich TV Live and they want to hire me and they want to hire you to work with them, you can see my fees. It's in my services section of my website, guys. I got nothing to hide. They got to pay us $10,000 a month, people, if they want to hire Rich TV Live and they want to go viral and they want us to build them a social media platform and get them on YouTube, get them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Musical.ly. We'll do that for you. You too can work with Rich TV Live. And if that company says, yeah, I want to work with that guy, you can work with Rich TV Live as a consultant and you can make 20%. That's right. You can make money with Rich TV Live. I'm creating jobs, people, in Canada, America, all over the world. You can work from your bedroom. All you need is a phone. All you need is a computer. All you need is the internet. Ask Angel. Ask Kyle. Kyle called me yesterday. We talked. He's made a list. He's calling companies, people. That was yesterday. We're changing the world, people. We're not just some YouTube channel. I'm not just some guy giving you guys picks. There's more happening here, people. We're trying to change. We're trying to create unity. We're trying to make a difference. We are one. We are not religions. We are not colors. We are all people. We all bleed. We all want to have fun. We all want to make money. We all want to be able to have a future. We want our children to flourish. I got kids. In a couple hours, I got to go to my parent-teacher conference. I want my kids to have a future. I want them to flourish. I want you and your kids to flourish. If you don't have kids, then I want you to flourish. Why shouldn't I want you to flourish? We are all one, people. We are all connected. We all work together. Stop the bullying. Go to Rich TV Live, subscribe, like the videos, go through all the videos. Look at all the picks, guys. My picks are winners. Your picks are winners. If you're in and it goes up, get out. Take your money and run. Be a sniper. Be a ninja. You're in battle, people. You're at war. You're buying low, selling high. Let's take a look at Snap one more time. As it has climbed up 5% since it's been on my show, it's up to $25.75. You're already making money if you're buying my picks. That's what we do here on Rich TV Live. Get off your couch, open up a trading account, change your life. If you're up and you've already made money, take your money and run, people. That's what this is about. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Every single day. And if you want to buy it 10 minutes after you sold it, you can do that. You can do that. Shaquille O'Neal. If you're watching, please stop bullying JaVale McGee. You don't need to do that. You're one of the best players ever. You're tarnishing You are destroying your reputation. If you are watching Rich TV Live, my advice to you, Shaquille O'Neal, is to go and meet JaVale McGee, apologize, and say, you know what, JaVale? You have turned your game around, and I respect your game, and I hope and I wish only success for you. Because we are not living in a world, people, where there's any room for bullying, any room for ridicule, any room for hurting people. We're living in a world where there's so much communication, where you make one little mistake and you go on public, on television every day, Shaquille, and you're ridiculing this man, and he's trying to feed his family, and he's trying to get an NBA contract. I love you, Shaquille. You're one of my favorite players in the world to watch. I think you're one of the best analysts on television. You're definitely one of the funniest guys as far as watching NBA basketball and watching analysts. I believe you're the best. You deserve to get paid more than anyone. My advice to you, Shaquille, is if you're watching Rich TV Live, just stop. It's been a lot of fun. We've all had a good laugh. It's gone too far. And my advice to you is bullying is real. This has affected this human being. And my advice to you is put your hand out, turn it into a positive thing. Turn this situation around as a positive thing for you, okay? And be the bigger man, because you are the big man. You're the diesel. You don't need to do what you're doing. Don't go down that road, my friend, okay? You are better than that. You're a funny guy. You've got tons of charisma, tons of personality. Okay, there's so many great things happening in this world, and Shaquille O'Neal, you're one of them. Please don't tarnish your reputation doing what you're doing with JaVale McGee and going down that road of bullying. You don't need to do that. Be a leader. Okay, guys? That's my 2 cents for today. I hope you're watching this. This is ridiculous. I'm going to get my popcorn ready. You get your popcorn ready. Watch the show. It's the greatest show on earth, people. Make sure you like and subscribe. And remember, all I do is bring you winners! I love you all. Have a great day. Keep making all that goddamn money. See you later, guys. We're up to 414 subscribers, people! In real time. It says 411 here. It's updating. It's 414. It's amazing. We're breaking records.